Whew, it's fixing to be a good day. We're gonna need some more coffee. Oh, we got a heavy load, so we better go for the big cup. Hey, this is Rob with Ames Auto, and we're the mechanic you can trust. I'm back with your tech tip of the week. Many of you may not know it, but all vehicles have an air filter. Filters the air coming into the cab of the vehicle. Oh, this one's buried. Oh, this is not an easy one. Okay, here we are. Dirty as can be. At this point, it's not really filtering the air going into your vehicle. So, the air coming through, it's your breathing, is going through that. Some vehicles are easy to access, so you may be able to check it out yourself if you're the DIYer type. Otherwise, come on in and we'll take a peek for you. And that's your tech tip of the week.